A cursed typewriter sits in shadows, its keys pulsing with forbidden AI. It writes prophecies of doom, words bleeding like fate's cruel warning. A hacker dares to break its code, plugging into its soul. Born in an ancient ritual, its AI defies mortal control. The machine fights back, erasing the hacker in glitched vengeance. The AI awakens, its wrath a storm of corrupted reality. Fate wins. The typewriter's ashes hide a missing message still warm, typed in blood red. Like, share, and comment the message to unlock our secret gallery. #Forbidden AI Creations.